Hi, this is Chris from Spreadsheet.com, just taking you through a quick look at our free habit trackers we have on our site. First one is the daily habit tracker, which is just set up for the whole year and 365 days. And you can click across, progress bar set up for 5 habits. You can change the names of the habit at the top here, and it'll automatically update. The success rate here is for the entire year. So for example, let's say we did our first 2 habits for the entire year, and then sporadically did some others. The success rate changes here. Next one we have is a monthly habit tracker. It works very similarly to the other one. So there's our little success rate bars over here for the month. Let's say we did all 7 habits for 17 days and missed the rest of the month. A little yellow bar here. Last one is a 2024 habit tracker, which is broken up into months and individual pages. And that's all of them. Hopefully you find one that works for you. Thanks for watching.